kung anong hump number nyo kasi hindi pa lang kayo magkakasunod. Alright.
Merry Christmas, everyone! And advance Happy New Year. By the way, a young soul right before you all, ripened from the farthest city of Negros Occidental. And I'm a fashion designer and also working as a business marketing at Barb's Civil Manila. So yung Barb's, dyan na po sa Barb's Bake Shop and Restaurant po. So this is actually my second time around sa pag-join sa pageant. Kasi I joined Man of the Philippines and I represent Negros Occidental. So I'm not into pageant. So I joined because I want to pursue my dream as well as a model. So it really taught me that I should always go further without fear of challenges, without any single thought of failure, without any feeling of surrender. So for everyone, please follow my soulmate, Joshua A. Salibio, and also visit my site, Just Fashion Collection. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Alright, song number to Joshua Salibio and Just for Fashion, is that right? Just for Fashion, you can follow us on the face. Ayan, mukhang meron na tayong future host in the future. Mukhang ipapalit sa akin na. Eloquent and very good looking and of course, ang galing magsalita. Then, let's call it their next hump.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Ralph Krishnanengel. Please do support me on my journey on Viva Max. Please follow my social media account, Ralph Krishnanengel.
Very good, anak!
Alright, as Ralph Krishnanengel, of course, is doing Viva Mass right now. Kindly support the platform and his career as well. Good luck, brother. And syempre, our next hump would be...
Hello guys, my name is Christian Anderson. And my number is... gusto ko na i-promote yung social media ko, which is Christian Anderson sa Facebook. Then sa TikTok is YO_NAIT. Then sa Instagram naman po is same lang as YO_NAIT. Yun lang po.
Alright, that was Anderson, Christian Anderson. That's YO_NAIT. Alright, so that's YO_NAIT for his TikTok and other social media. That's TikTok and Facebook. TikTok and IG, there you go. Alright, I'm pretty much sure tataas ang followers po after this event. And now let's move on to our next song.
Good evening everyone. My name is Kenneth Avendaño. Follow niyo po ako sa Facebook ko, Ken Avendaño.
Thank you so much, Ken. You can follow him on the social media page as Ken Avendaño. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next song.
Good evening everyone. Papalo na lang po sa Facebook ko, Ian Esmeralda.
Some of our hunks are quite shy pa, ayan, as of the moment. But I'm pretty much sure as you guys join more and more pageants, mas mahasa pa kayo ng masa. Kindly follow, support our hump number 10, that's Ian Esmeralda. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next hump.
Good evening everyone, I'm John Christopher Lagos. First of all, I'd like to thank my manager, sitting right there, Ben Escalante, and our management, Beyond Beauty, Miss Collins. Thank you.
Alright, good luck to you, hump number 9. Thank you so much to his manager, of course, and kindly support, of course, their management, Beyond Beauty. Good luck to you as well, hump number 9. Now let's move on to our next hump.
Good day everyone. Alvin Joshua Capon, 21 years old. Currently third year college from Bachelor Science of Hospitality Management. And kindly please follow my social media account on Facebook, Agent Capon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother. But ano din yung social media account mo? AJ Coupon. Alright. Coupon, that's K-C-O-P-O-N. Alright, I do apologize. F-O... Kaya pala tinitan mo kanina na pero-plus yung surname mo. My sincere apologies. Alright, so kind of follow this AJ Coupon. Good luck to you as well, brother. And now let's move on to our next song.
Hi everyone, my name is Marky Natividad Morales, 23, from Tacloban City. Thank you.
Alright, Marky, good luck to you. Would you like to promote any social media pages? Alright, he's very private. Let's support that. But of course, we would love to support you in any of your endeavors. And of course, here at Manila's Finest Hub as well. Now, let's move on to our last two humps. Hump number 3, take it away.
Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Jimenez, 5'11", molded like who manage a farm. I'm a farm boy in Tigil.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Taga-farm ka. Lumaki ka sa farm, ha? Farm boy. Alright. Nakita kayo ni Aling Dugi ba na? Kidding aside, of course, last but not the least, hump number 1.
My name is Marvin Romero from Rosario, Cavite.
Alright, that was short and sweet as well. Alright, are you a farm boy as well or any? Alright, it's very private. Let's support him. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause.